This tutorial will show you the best free cloud online storage for images tutorial completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to get best free cloud storage for images online. So I'm going to open up my search engine and open up a new tab on Microsoft Edge and type in this here on the screen, Trello.com, and then click enter. Basically, this is a way that you can get free images for cloud. You're going to have to go to the top right hand screen and click get Trello for free, or if you have an account, you can click log in, and basically you can either sign in with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, or even your email. And then we're going to wait for this to load, and basically once we have over here on Trello, you can create a workspace by basically just going over here, Trello workspace, and click this, and you have boards as well. And basically when you click the drop down arrow and you click boards, you want to go over here and click a new board. So let's say we'll click this right here, and as you can see, you can name your board under the title. We'll name this test, and then click create right here at the bottom. And basically what you can do for this example, we'll name this pictures, click enter. You can add a card, or should I say you can name this whatever you want. Let's say picture number 1, and then you click on here, and basically you can drag your image, picture, or photo, and it will store it for you completely for free. So let's say I want to drag an image right here. I copy to files, and as you can see, it's uploading, and it has successfully been uploaded. You can even name this whatever it is that you want, and then once you're happy or satisfied, you can click save, and basically it has successfully saved. So again, you can basically go on this website, Trello.com. This is the free version. You can go back under your boards over here, and you have your board. You can click on your image, and then you can even right click and save the image. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.